Hey everyone, it's Damian Knockham here. Today, we're diving into one of the best affordable washing machines for 2024, the Kenmore Top-Load Washer with Dual Action Agitator. This washer is a top pick for its performance, capacity, and features. Let's check it out. With a 3.5 cubic feet capacity, the Kenmore Top-Load Washer can handle up to 14 towels in a single load. Its Dual Action Agitator cleans in two directions, ensuring a deep, thorough clean for even the toughest stains. Plus, with 11 wash cycles and 5 wash temperatures, you can easily customize each load for the perfect wash. And the deep fill option is perfect for larger loads, making sure everything gets thoroughly washed. This washer measures 27.5 inches wide by 27 inches deep and pairs perfectly with the Kenmore electric or gas dryer for a complete laundry set. Want to learn more? Click the link in the description below and message me directly, Damian Knockham. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and home essentials. Let's make laundry day a breeze. Text on screen, link in bio for more details. #affordable appliances, #Kenmore washer, #laundry day, #home essentials, #Damian Knockham, #New Mexico, #Iowa, #Missouri, #Colorado, #Oklahoma.